Let's have a look at the Ontime timer view. Here on the right, we have our timer view. It's in a separate browser window, just so we can see what's going on as we make changes in the rundown. Let's start off with our welcome timer. As you can see, the rundown generates and updates the timer view in real time. We can change the duration, and that will apply right away. On the right, in our display options, our timer type is set to countdown. We can change this, and that will apply automatically. We have a warning time set to 2 minutes and a danger time set to 1 minute. On the left, in our playback controls, we can add or subtract time. If I subtract another minute, this will put us into our danger time, which will automatically update and show in yellow. If I take away another minute, that gets us into danger time and shows orange. Let's start session 1 and have a look at some of the options we have in our timer view. Maximize this. On the left, in the top corner, we have Settings cogwheel. Click that. Here we can customize both the look and the operation of our viewer. There are many options to configure in this view. You'll definitely want to check those out. Here are a couple of examples. If we scroll down to data sources, what we can do is add secondary text. Let's add our notes. Maybe you want to hide the clock. We can select hide time now. Those are just a couple examples. We have many more to choose from. We'll click apply, and those will take effect right away. As you can see in the top right, we've hidden our clock, and down below, we now have our notes under our event names. One thing to note, when we apply the changes, this automatically updates the URL. We can bookmark this or share it. And if we share this with someone, they will see the timer view exactly how we've configured it. Another great tool for a collaborative workflow. Let's put our timer view back in the corner. Over on the left-hand side, under our playback controls, we have some additional options which allow us to further control what we are showing in the timer view. Currently, we are showing the timer, as you can see. Currently indicated by the small green arrow pointing down, we are showing a countdown timer. Below that, we can choose to show a message in our timer. We can show that by entering a message here and clicking show. Now we see we're showing a message, which you can see on the right. We also have the option to blink the timer. This will blink the timer or message or whatever we're showing in the timer view. Click it again to turn it off. We also have the option to black out the screen, and this will simply hide anything on screen and show black. We also have the ability to show a secondary message, either a text message, which we would do by selecting this and saying show. Something else we could show is a secondary timer. Say our presenter has 5 minutes to go over a certain topic, and they want to keep track of that under the main timer. We can start our aux timer here, set it for 5 minutes, press play, and show our aux1 timer. That way the main timer will show the entire segment, but our 5-minute timer will show that topic. Again, we can blink it, black out, and hide the secondary timer. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.